Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a world of boundless imagination and character creation. In this video, we're diving into the exciting realm of character modeling on Fiverr, where talented artists a way to bring your wildest character ideas to life. And to start with the service on Fiverr, simply head on over to character modeling Fiverr and choose this one or this one here. I will choose this one here. And like you see with me here, this is the homepage or the interface of the service on Fiverr website, where you can find all the key features that absolutely gonna need, and also the filters, the search bar, and the account. From here, I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos on my channel to find the video that how to create an account on Fiverr. And here you will find your profile, post request, or refer a friend, or if you want to become a seller. You have the setting, that means the password, the photo of the profile, and username, information of the billing and payments, if you want to change the language or the currency, and if you have any problem, any issue, you can just go to the help center, and if you want to log out from the account. So now this is the results over here. Like you see with me, I have 11,547 services. It's a very big number. If you want to minimize it to find what you're looking for quickly, you can filter it by this four services over here. The service option we have, you can filter by the purpose, game, or the 3D printing, other film. Like you see, the results is become more or less. You have, if you filter by the game, you have 5,999. You have about the style, realistics, cartoons, anime, or low poly, and also plus 4 more services. File format, the formats by FBX or OBJ, STL, or blend, or even more. You have by the service includes lighting, rigging, or include animation. You can just click on what you want to filter by. You can also put more than one, and after that click on apply. And also you can filter by the seller details. Do you want the seller be and a level 1, 2, or the top rated seller, or new seller? And usually the new seller has cheap gigs than the top rated seller. And also about the language, do you want the seller talk one from these languages plus 25 more languages, or the country and the localization? That means you want the seller live in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, or plus 128 other country. And for the budgets, of course, that means the price from the minimum until the maximum. You can just write the price here and the maximum here, and click on apply. And delivery time from the express 24 hours up to anytime. You have 24 hours, up 3 days, up to 7 days, or you have no problem with the delivery time. And after that you can just click on apply. And we have these 3 filters. Do you want to see just the pro services, or do you want to see just the gigs for the local sellers or online sellers? So like I said before, this is the results here. Let's suppose that we like this one and we want to come back to it later. You need just to click on this heart here to save it to the list, to find it later in your list over here. So now let's try, like example, to buy a gig, to show you the different information that you need to give them to buy the gig successfully. To buy the gig, first thing, you need to see the gig, know the seller, read the sentence that he presents to you the gig with it. This is here how many stars that the gig or the seller gets, how many people buy the gig, and the price, of course, will be here from $100. So later we will see why it's from and not 100 specifically. Now to buy the gig, you need just to click on it. and see others. This is a video, you can just play it from here. And read all the information about the gig. And also I have here the information about the seller. Is called Osakazal, and this is the information about him, and this is where you can contact him. And also we have the overviews from other people's about the seller or about the gig. To be very sure that you want to buy that gig, you need just to read the overviews. Like example, this one is see the worthy of the Pro badge. Was a pleasure working with Osaka. Everything went as expected and got great final results. He has great skills and attention to details. No issue whatsoever in communicating and delivering high quality 3D sculpt based on my concept. Definitely recommended. So like you see here, there is a lot of people who can recommend you with a gig or discommend you. So to buy a gig, the first thing that you need to know or to do is choose a plan. So here we have 3 plans: the basic, standard with premium, and premium with 3 different price and different services. Like example, the basic one is $100. You can save up to 20% with subscribe to save. You have a basic quality 3D printable model for simple models, no characters. Message for a code range between 100 to 20 until $290. And for the standard, it's with $290. This is very different. You have it the code range between 290 and 400, and the premium one is $400. It's the message for a code range between $400 until $2,000. You have 10 days delivery and 3 revision. Now you need to click on the plan that you want, and after that click on continue. Choose the quantity that you want from plus and this one. And if you want to add another service, of course you will add money extra fast. 3 days delivery, you will add $100. Additional revision, that means plus 1 day you have, or you gonna add $30. And after that click on continue. So now before you get your information of the payments, you need to read this information to know how much you will pay. It's $105.50. The delivery will be 4 days. After that, you will choose the payments method. We have 2 methods: by credit and debit card or by PayPal. If you want to pay with this one, you need to get your card number, the expiration date, the month, the year, security code, and the first and the last name. They should be the legal name. And after that, click on confirm and pay. And if you want to pay with PayPal, you can just click on it and click in PayPal checkout, and you will pay successfully for the gig. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you guys understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these.